Hello guys, good afternoon. So, we are approaching the General Santos City Airport. Yan, so lilipad po tayo guys ng Himpapawid kasi kailangan naming pumunta ng Manila. So, magbabakasyon muna kami ng mga 1 week lang. Ayan, kasi may aasikasuhin kami and we'll take this time also to get a little break from Jensen. Yan. So, by the way, this is the General Santos City Airport, guys. Maliit lang siya. Rachel. So, nandito na kami guys sa loob ng airport. Ayan, nakapag-check-in na kami and yeah. Huh? Lang, I can't hold this daddy. Thank you. Good job, Rachel. So, pupunta kaming second floor. Maghihintay na lang kami ng aming flight schedule. Our schedule is at 2 p.m. Ayan. So, Cebu Pacific tayo. Ayan. Ito yung airport dito sa amin, guys. Yan yung sa iba pa. Ayan. So, naghihintay na lang kami sa aming flight, guys. Before that, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na kami. Ayan. Ano yun, Daddy? So, nag-order ako ng coffee kasi hindi ako nakapag-coffee this morning. Yung dalawang iced tea para sa astawa sa anak ko. Ayan. And then this one, we ordered arroz caldo.
Maybe we should go down over there where it's closer to the entrance.
Yeah.
Request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects,
Rachel.
glass, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your
So, mag-take off na kami. Nandun si Daddy sa kabila. Na-separate si Daddy.
I was just making a video for my channel.
Please support her channel. Are you excited? So, dito na tayo, guys. Yan yung arrival area. Ito lang yung mga dala namin. Light lang talaga. Ilang damit lang yung dala namin. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Yeah. You're fine.
Hate escalators. Hate escalators.
Okay. Nandito na kami guys sa NAIA. Yan. Mag-CR muna kami kasi naiihi na kami. Nandun yung asawa ko sa bathroom. Yan. Tapos didiretso na kami ng hotel. I know we need to get some stuff. And siguro mag-dinner kami sa labas. Yan. So, nandito na kami guys sa aming hotel. Salamat naman at hindi kami masyadong matagal na naghintay ng sasakyan. Unlike nung una naming dating dito. But anyway, yeah, we are just looking for our hotel room. Ayan, masyado na kaming masaya, especially si Rachel, kasi makapagpahinga na kami sa wakas. And before pa nga pala kami makapagpahinga, kailangan namin, we need to take care of our stomach, kay gigutom na jud mig maayo. Even though kumain kami sa airport, ayan, so magro-room tour na lang tayo kaagad guys kasi nawala yung boses dito. So anyway, this is our simple room. Ayan, this is not the first time na nagstay kami dito. So ayan, very simple lang yung bathroom. Yan si daddy, nag-check siya to make sure na okay yung door. So, ayan siya. Malinis naman siya, guys. Eto. So, eto daw yung deluxe na room nila. So, binook namin ito nung nasa Jansan pa lang kami. Ayan. Meron tayong sabon, meron din, ayan, shower, hot and cold. Yan yung bathtub. Ayan, in front of it, merong, ito parang cabinet. Yan, may nakalagay na 2 robe. Meron din tayong safe para safe yung mga anich-anich natin dyan. Nilagyan din nila ng ano guys, ng flashlight in case na mag-brown out. Pero thank you Lord, hindi naman kami yan, nawala ng kuryente dito. Yan. So, ito ang ating mirror, malaking mirror. Yan, para mag-check-check tayo, make sure na maganda, charot. And then this, meron sila ditong mga teacups and meron din tayong coffee kung gusto niyo mag-coffee. Ayan, tapos meron din tayong ano guys, electric kettle and marami tayong tubig dito libre sa hotel. Ayan, charot. And then in the bottom, meron tayong maliit na, yan yung ating mini fridge. Yan. And then, yung rack natin para sa ating mga luggages, 3 bags lang yung dala natin guys. So, hindi kami masyadong nahirapan sa aming flight na ito. Ayan. So, actually na-appreciate ko yung lightweight na ano. Even though konti lang talaga yung dala naming damit, magpapalaba naman sa ano, sa laundry, charot. Yan. So, meron din tayong extra space pa dito. Kung gusto niyo maglagay, lagay niyo yung mga extra ninyo na gamit, pwede rin. Yan, and 2 bed as usual. Yan, chine-check ko lang yung mga ilaw guys kung gumagana
Because
sila.
this is how you turn on the ano. I remember this from the last time. No. Can we change the color? Daddy. Daddy.
3 seconds.
Okay. Sige, 1, 2, 3. It's only 3 seconds.
So we're at our very fancy restaurant right now, and then this is my drink. It's lemonade, and that's a cup. I have 2 different drinks, I know that. And then we have this. Wait.
Alrighty, daddy. So, daddy got his food first. Of course, first we got our drinks. Daddy got this pineapple juice. Mine is Boko. And Rachel got her lemonade. And ito yung order ni Daddy, nasi lemak. So, it comes with rice, meron siyang egg. Tapos meron din tayong parang squash, I guess. Tapos may peanuts dyan.
That's the-
Tapos may beans. Yeah, that's the bulalo. Ito yung
Oh,
bulalo
that's the
natin.
one that's
Oh.
shit.
Yeah, we're sharing. Thank you so much.
And it comes with
Bulalo
rice, right?
natin, yes. And,
Oh, okay.
yeah, chicken. No, beef bulalo. Right?
Huh?
Beef. Beef marrow.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll let
Tapos
you
meron tayo
let
nito.
you serve it.
Yeah.
I'll
Daddy said
remove
that
that
this
stuff over
is
there.
spicy. Ha?
Please.
Nandito na kami sa kwarto, guys. Yan. So, right now, it's 8:21. Masarap yung food na in-order namin. Bulalo na like beef marrow. Yan. Somebody's calling. Oh, that's from your phone. Oh, sus. Yeah. So, anyway, we're gonna get ready to take a shower. Tapos matulog. Matulog kami ng maaga kasi maaga kaming gumising kanina and we didn't get proper rest last night. So, ayan, hopefully makatulog kami ng maaga para makagising ng maaga so we can take care of this stuff early, right Daddy? Yeah, maganda ang view namin dito guys, oh, paggabi. Yan. Yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for supporting our channel. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.